Hello friends, today I am going to discuss introduction to SQL in our SQL series. So the first question that comes in our mind is what do you mean by SQL? Basically SQL stands for structured query language that lets you to assess the data and manage the data in the database. Okay, let's say if you are having the database and you have some data, then the data is stored in the database, and then to assess them and manage that data, SQL will plays an important role. Okay, so if I just move on to the next page. Okay, so now I am going to discuss some major functionality of the SQL. So like the major functionality are we can insert the data in the database. Okay, and we can update the data in the database with the help of SQL, and we can delete the data from the database with the help of SQL, and we can insert we have already discussed, and we can just create a view. We can just create a view of database. So what does this point means? That let's say you have database and you are having the data of students, and the data would be like name, roll number and marks, and the data is stored like, let's say we are having 5 students, 1 2 3 4 5, and there will be some some name of all the students, A B C D E, and there will be some roll number are there, and there will be marks will be there, 70 80 35 40 and 90. Somebody says, I want to data the data of the student who have marks greater than 17. So we can see that in the table we have the data of all the student. So to show the data to the requested user in their according, then that is called the view of the database. Like say the user that requested the data to the database, and he wants the data of the only student whose marks is greater than 17, then the data will be represented to them, will be look like this, and 1 2 3, and that will be 17 80 and 90, and that will be the name of A B and E. Okay, and this will be the view, this will be the one view of the database. Okay, so SQL help us to provide this functionality. Now let's have a minor look on the RDBMS. So what do we mean by RDBMS? RDBMS stands for relational DBMS. So let's say you are having database, and in the database there will be lot of tables are there for every identity type. So and all the table will be related to each other. Let's say table 1 and table 2, and these table will be related to each other. So to manage these type of database, is called the RDBMS. And there are a lot of RDBMS are there. One is SQL Server, Oracle, and many more. You can just search on the Google and you will get there. As of now I just remember, and one more is MSSS. Okay, and as of now I just remember these three only. Okay, So now it's the completion of introduction to SQL. In the next video, we will discuss the some keyword and related and query related to those keyword. Okay.